Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an e-commerce landing page. First, identify your ideal customer to tailor your message effectively. Your landing page should immediately communicate what makes your product or service stand out from the competition. Remember, the primary purpose of any landing page is to guide visitors towards one specific action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading a resource. Keep your design focused to achieve this goal. Every effective landing page needs a powerful headline that captures interest within seconds. Visuals are crucial. Employ high-resolution images or engaging videos to present your products attractively. Your body copy should focus on how your product solves customer problems and improves their lives, rather than just listing specifications. Finally, strategically place clear, action-oriented calls to action, like Shop Now or Add to Cart, where they are easily visible. To maximize conversions, your landing page must load quickly. Aim for a load time of less than 3 seconds. A responsive design is essential, ensuring a seamless experience across all devices, especially mobile phones, which account for over 50% of e-commerce traffic. Build trust by including social proof, such as customer reviews or star ratings. Remove any elements that could divert attention from your main call to action, like extra navigation menus. Continuous improvement is key. Regularly perform a/B tests on different elements, such as your headlines, calls to action, and product images, to see what resonates best with your audience. Track important metrics like your conversion rate, bounce rate, and time on page to gauge performance. Utilize tools like heat maps to visualize where users click and scroll. Based on these valuable insights, make informed adjustments to continuously enhance your landing page's effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.